we'll guide you through how to insert an image into a Google Sheet. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Sheets in your computer or laptop browser. Once the home page appears, create a new spreadsheet or open an existing file that you want to work on. Take a moment to observe the worksheet so you understand the layout of the cells and the area where you want to place the image. Next, move your cursor to the top menu bar of the Google Sheets interface. Locate the Insert menu among the available options. Click the Insert menu to open the drop-down list. After the drop-down menu appears, look for the image option in the list. Hover your cursor over the image option and observe the available image placement choices. You will notice two main options: image in cell and image over cells. Before continuing, decide which option best fits your needs. Click Image in Cell if you want the image to stay inside a specific cell. This option keeps the image contained within the cell boundaries and adjusts with the cell size. On the other hand, click Image over Cells if you want the image to float freely above the spreadsheet. This option allows you to move the image anywhere across the sheet. After selecting your preferred option, wait until the image upload window appears on the screen. Observe the different upload options available in this window. If the image you want to use is stored on your computer, choose the Upload from Computer option. Then browse your device and select the image file you want to insert. Once the file is selected, click Open to upload the image into the spreadsheet. Observe the image displayed on the sheet. If you selected Image in Cell, you will notice that the picture automatically fits inside the selected cell. If you selected Image over Cells, the picture will appear floating above the spreadsheet grid. Now click the image to activate it. Once selected, observe the resize handles located around the corners of the image. Drag the corners to resize the picture until it reaches the desired size. Adjust the image carefully so it looks balanced within the sheet. Finally, check that the image appears clearly in the spreadsheet.